Hello everyone. Today we discuss exercise 5.1 question number 2. The shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as man M, woman W, boy for B and girl for capital G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. Make a frequency distribution table using tally marks. Draw a bar graph to illustrate it. We make a table here and we'll write in a table the frequency distribution table. This is the frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. This is the frequency distribution table. Frequency This is the frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Right? Here you have written shoppers. This is tally marks. Tally marks. And this is number. Right? Now shoppers are women, man, B for boy and G for girl. Right? Number of women we have to count here. W. Right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Right? Number is 28. M for man. Man is count man, that is from here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 men. The number is 15. That is 15, right? This is 15. And boy you have to count. Boy is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Boy is 5. The boy's number is 5. Girl, you have to count the girl also. Girl is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Girl is 12. 1 to 12. Right? Now we'll make that tally marks. That is 28. This is 28. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 10 1 2 3 4 5 15 1 2 3 4 5 20 1 2 3 4 5 25 26 27 28. Right now 15. Man is 15. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 10 1 2 3 4 5. That is 15. Boy is 5. That is 1 2 3 4 and 5. And 12. Girl is 12. Girl is 12. That is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 10 11 12. Girl is 12. Right. This is the frequency distribution table. Make the bar graph to illustrate this one. Make the bar graph to illustrate this one. Let us make a table here. Right. Let us take the table. We are taking the table here. We are taking an arrow here. And in this direction we are again taking a table line. Right. Now we will divide this one on the vertical line. Number of suppers. Number of suppers are number of suppers. You can count from 0. That is 5. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Right. This is 5. This is 5. Take this one again. 5, 5, 10, 15. This is 20, 25 and 30. Right. And in the horizontal line we can write, we have to make the bar graph. Right. That is for women is 38. Let us make the bar graph. Right. Bar graph we can write in this way, that 28. This one is 25, 26, 27, 28. This one is 28. 28 women, and men is 15. Men 15 means this one. Men is 15. Right. And boy is 5. Here it is 5. Therefore the boy is 5. Boy is 5. And girl is 12. 10, 11, 12. This height. . right? We make this one. Now you see here, this is actually for women. Women is 28, right? Women, this is men, this is for boy, this is for girls, right? This is the bar graph of this frequency table. Bar graph bar graph of this frequency table, right? You see woman is 28, right? And men is 15, boy is 5, and girl is 12. Here this is the number or frequency distribution table, number or frequency, right? Now you see, this is the bar graph of this frequency table, and this is the frequency distribution table. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.